Okay, quick video. If you guys have a California compliant AR and instead of doing this pistol grip, you're going to do the rear takedown pin method, there's a couple little tricks for kind of helping that out. Number one is this little piece right there. This is your bolt catch right here. And when your magazine's empty, that little tang off the front lifts the bolt catch up. And then when you drop the magazine, I'm going to do this one-handed here for you, that goes down. So up, the magazine catches it, down, and then manually out here. So if that functions, then your bolt is back and it's an extra step because the bolt has to be forward in order to do the rear takedown pin. So a quick trick would be to just focus. Just file that little piece off right there so that the magazine doesn't hold your bolt back. And then if you're ever wanting to convert back, it's one little roll pin, drive that out, and buy a new bolt catch. They're fairly inexpensive. So that's one trick. The other trick, if you do have a malfunction and now your bolt's stuck somewhere in here, you can't do your takedown, you can't drop your magazine, so you're sort of stuck disassembling things by trying to undo your front takedown or whatever. But there's actually a better method that someone shared with me, and that's actually to drop the bottom plate out of your Magpul mag. This bottom plate, you push that in, the plate slides off, all of the remaining ammunition is just going to fall out of the magazine then. That's like a 20-second operation. All that ammo falls out, and you should be able to clear your jam without having to try to break the gun apart with potentially a live round in the chamber. So none of those solutions are ideal, which is why I ended up with the grip method, which isn't ideal either. But for those safety reasons, I went the other way. But when I was thinking about the takedown, I thought of those two little tricks might help some folks out.